Moving on, let's talk about the overall effect of respiration and photosynthesis on plants. Now, the plants are undergoing these two very important processes at the same time. Let's see the overall effect on the plants and then the environment. Respiration takes place all the time. All the time, the glucose is being broken down to release energy. Now, at certain points in the day, more glucose will be broken down. At other points, less glucose will be broken down. But take note that respiration takes place all the time. But photosynthesis only takes place in the presence of light. In the dark, no photosynthesis takes place. But in the presence of light, photosynthesis takes place. The rate of photosynthesis will depend on the intensity of light. How bright the light is determines the rate of photosynthesis. Last time we said that photosynthesis is highest in red light. When the light is red, photosynthesis is highest. But when the light is green, the rate of photosynthesis is lowest. So highest is in red light, lowest in green light. Now the intensity of light determines how high the rate of photosynthesis will be. Okay, now let's go on to our table. This is where the effect has been tabulated. We have the condition, photosynthesis versus respiration, and then the overall results. In the dark, as I said, no photosynthesis will take place, but respiration will take place. Now for respiration, oxygen is being used and then carbon dioxide will be produced. So there will be less oxygen because the oxygen is being used for respiration. And then there will be more carbon dioxide because the carbon dioxide is a product of respiration. In the dark, no photosynthesis will take place. So the carbon dioxide will not be touched. In dim light, when the light is not so bright, there are equal rates of photosynthesis and respiration. So as oxygen is being used up, the same amount of carbon dioxide is being given out. So there are constant levels of carbon dioxide and oxygen. As oxygen is being used, carbon dioxide is given out. It's just like having to move boxes into a room. Now, as you are trying to move a box in, another mischievous person will try and then move the box you put in out. So all the time, the number of boxes on either side will be the same. The same applies to the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Since there are equal rates of photosynthesis and respiration, the levels will be constant. But in bright light, that is where the rate of photosynthesis is highest. So more carbon dioxide will be used than oxygen because photosynthesis, the rate of photosynthesis will be higher than the rate of respiration. So during the day, during a sunny day, more oxygen is in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide because during the sunny day, photosynthesis, the rate of photosynthesis is higher than the rate of respiration. So more oxygen is present than carbon dioxide. But at night, more carbon dioxide is present than oxygen.